In under 5 minutes in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Tradovate account, whether that's your personal account or a platform account, with TradingView so you can trade directly on TradingView. Now, you're going to need a Tradovate account, right, and a TradingView account as well. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to log into your Tradovate account, okay? You're going to go to the top right corner, click Application Settings. You're going to go to Add-ons, and you're going to make sure that the TradingView add-on here is active. If you have Tradovate prop, which most prop firms have these days, it should be already active, okay? But if not, just make sure you can click the button to activate it. Your next step is going to be to go to tradingview.com. So again, you need a separate login for Tradovate and a separate login and account for TradingView as well. Now, the first thing you're going to do is go to Trading Panel here at the bottom. Make sure you select Tradovate as the broker. And then here, if you are trading with a prop firm challenge, or a prop firm funded account, make sure you click demo first. And then here, you're going to input the same login and password you use for Tradovate, okay? Which is the login and password the prop firm that you have signed up with should have provided you with, okay? Now, once you click connect, you should be logged into the platform just like so. And you should be able to trade on TradingView, okay? If you have this pop-up window on your right come up, you're good. If not, all you got to do for that to show up is make sure you click the trade button right here and the order tab will come up and you can trade from this order tab or the DOM or directly on the chart right here. I hope this video helped. Again, you can use the same process if you want to log in and connect this for your TradingView mobile as well. If you want to see more tutorials and how-to videos for TradingView and Tradovate, make sure you stay subscribed to the channel because there's more coming.